Travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about transforming your life. From heart-pounding adventures to soul-soothing retreats, these life-changing experiences will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Let's dive in. First up, trekking to Machu Picchu in Peru. This ancient Incan city, hidden in the Andes Mountains, is a bucket list destination for a reason. Whether you hike the Inca Trail or take the train, the moment you see the sunrise over the ruins is pure magic. Pro tip: go with a local guide to learn about the history and culture behind this incredible site. Next, experience the wild side of life with a safari in Tanzania's Serengeti National Park. Witness the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras cross the plains, or spot the Big Five in their natural habitat. It's a humbling reminder of the beauty of nature. For a more introspective journey, head to Bali. This Indonesian island is a haven for wellness seekers. Practice yoga in Ubud, meditate at a jungle retreat, or simply soak in the tranquility of the rice terraces. It's the perfect escape to recharge your mind and soul. Witnessing the northern lights in Iceland is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Bundle up, head to the countryside and watch as the sky comes alive with swirling greens and purples. It's a reminder of how awe-inspiring our planet can be. Travel can also be about giving back. Volunteering in Cambodia, whether it's teaching English or helping with community projects, is a deeply rewarding experience. You'll not only make a difference, but also gain a new perspective on life. For a mix of adventure and luxury, take a road trip along Italy's Amalfi Coast. Drive through cliffside villages like Positano and Ravello, stop for fresh seafood, and soak in the Mediterranean views. It's a journey that will awaken all your senses. Dive the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Explore the underwater wonderland of Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Whether you're snorkeling or scuba diving, the vibrant coral and marine life will leave you in awe. It's a powerful reminder to protect our oceans. Pilgrimage to Kyoto, Japan. Step into a world of tradition and tranquility in Kyoto, Japan. Visit ancient temples, participate in a tea ceremony, or stroll through bamboo forests. It's a journey that will connect you to the beauty of simplicity and mindfulness. Hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia, Turkey. Take to the skies with a hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia, Turkey. As you float above the surreal landscape of fairy chimneys and rock formations, you'll feel like you're in a dream. It's an experience that will leave you breathless. Live with a local family in Morocco. Finally, immerse yourself in a new culture by staying with a local family in Morocco. Learn to cook traditional dishes, explore vibrant souks, and experience the warmth of Moroccan hospitality. It's a chance to see the world through someone else's eyes. These life-changing travel experiences aren't just about the destinations, they're about the stories, the connections, and the personal growth that come with them. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.